Is your mobile phone or tablet doesn't function as expected? Do you have some glitches in the system, or do some spare parts need replacement? Not to worry, we are here to help. Fix it fast with our quick, easy, and efficient mobile phone and tablet repair services. We are equipped with the team and tools needed to fix damage caused by liquid charging phones, software faults, LCD replacement, and so much more. We can use both original and generic parts to save you a few bucks. Whether you need help with your iPhone, Samsung, LG, Nokia, Lenovo, Acer, or whatever, you have a broken device. Get in touch with us today and restore your precious device to its former glory.